Welcome back to Lockdown Backyard Gardener, and I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers out there. Today I had one of my subscribers ask me what do I use as soil, and this is what I use. It's the compressed cocoa core, and what it does is it comes in a compressed pack, and once you add water to it, it expands up to 10 liters. It is 100% organic and renewable, and it's great for drainage. It has a high water hold capacity and great absorption, and it's great for planting seeds, and it's very affordable and high quality. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration how it works. As you can see, as I pour the water in, it begins to expand, and that's all you need to do, just add water. So now I'm gonna add this to the container with the snails, and first I moved all of them to one side so I can add the new layer of cocoa soil. And for those who are new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you all. I appreciate if you just give me some support by liking the video so that it can encourage others out there to do the same. Especially times we're living in now, it's very important that we get ready and prepare ourselves for hard days to come. Now, snail farming is very low startup cost. There's literally no capital to it. It's very easy compared to other farming like livestock farming such as fish, pigs, cattle and poultry. This sort of capital for snail farming is relatively very low. It's environmentally friendly. It's a good source of protein if that's what you're into. Snail farming requires little land area. You can do it inside your house or outside, whatever you like. And the food for feeding them is very cheap. You can literally just get plants, leaves from the backyard garden, and just give it to them. They'll eat it and they will get all the benefit. So what I'm giving them is the dandelion leaves, which is, as many would know, it's very medicinal, especially the roots. Now, they don't want you to know that. They'll call it weed, but in fact it's actually beneficial to you. As you can see, it's very easy to run, and it doesn't smell, they don't make any noise, and so there's not going to be any neighbor complaints. And you can literally do this on the cheap, and you will be surprised with the amount of eggs they produce each. Research suggests that they can actually lay up to 400 eggs in a year each. They're hermaphrodite, so if they mate, they will both produce the eggs. This particular snail that I'm breeding is the Achatina folici. I am actually trying to get the Achatina magnata, which is the largest snail in the world. And yes, it's a bit tough, but I'm sure I'm going to get my hands on 2, because that's all I need. If you are interested in starting out your own farming, you can just go to my description box and to my website, and there you can get some more information about them. I just want to say thank you to all of you. Stay strong. We're gonna get through this. All right, peace.